A fast and sustained pace is expected between champion Bubbler, another one, and Fortuna Belle in Saturday's feature race, the Security Department Trophy, over 1,000 meters straight on Saturday's 9-race program.
Speed is expected to be at a premium as 11 horses face the starter in the 5-furlong contest for a purse of $1.25 million, which is expected to be a close contest down to the wire. An overnight allowance contest for 3-year-olds and upward over 5 furlongs straight takes center stage on tomorrow's 9-race card. However, the scenario for the Security Department Trophy seemed to be playing into the hands of American-bred champion Bubbler, who will have jockey Tajay Soku in the saddle. Back to her favourite distance after a poor showing in the Mute Mile, the Spencer Chung-trained champion Bubbler goes off at odds of 9-5 in similar company a favoured distance. Lurking close by will be another one from the barn of former many-time champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes, a runner with proven class who can capitalise if the early tempo begins to take its toll. Another one who posted 58 3/5 to win the Charles Hussey OD Trophy on December 14, going this distance, is expected to be in their last furlong. Also expected to figure prominently is the improving Fortuna Belle, whose recent efforts suggest she is ready to step forward. A strong early pace would suit her late run, making her a serious contender when it matters most. With conditions pointing to a fast and fiercely contested sprint, Race 9 should ultimately come down to champion Bubbler, another one, and Fortuna Belle, with little separating the trio at the finish. Race 9 is expected to start at 5:20 p.m. The first race will begin at 12 noon. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.